Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisoka. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Ngizokhuluma ngomduduzi Shabalala ukuthi wacishe wayishiya i-Kaizer Chiefs. Ngikhulume ngepolicy yabo yokutransfera ama-youngsters ukuthi baye kuma-loan engasebenzi for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Ngifocuse ku-Donay Jansen because khona umuntu othe ngikhulume ngo-Donay Jansen. Athi siqale ngayo uMdu. UMdu ubeshisa kakhulu laphana ku-DDC team bebabaningi at the time abantu sebamnothisile but i-Kaizer Chiefs beyingekho ready ukuthi impromote to first team. I-agency yakhe yafila ngathi uMduduzi Shabalala u-ready for i-first team football but Kaizer Chiefs bengacabangi kanjalo. And then i-agency yakhe they were pushing for imove ukuthi ayingcono nimlone-ke umfana ukuthi ayothola i-first team football somewhere i-game time khona ukuthi akwazi ukudevelopha quick. And then i-Kaizer Chiefs they are forced ukuthi bampromote ku-first team because of bebangafuni ukumluza at the time. So lento leyo ukuthi balona ama-players isikhathi esiningi uyalibulala i-player. Why? Let's say for example uthatha umfana umlona kumaZulu. KumaZulu abantu ba-hungry bafethu, like baningi abantu abalwayo balwele kuyodlalela ama-teams amakhulu. Wena usethimini enkulu but ulona umfana ku-team encane compared to i-status se-Kaizer Chiefs, right? So mengenzi kahle kumaZulu and then i-Kaizer Chiefs sothi akusiyi product yethu-ke le, kusho ukuthi besi-wrong, kusho ukuthi lo muntu ngeke akhompithe kulo ku-professional setup. Kanti no, bedinga i-confidence ye-team, bedinga isikhathi ukuthi akhule umfana and then abe right. Asiyiphine lento le no-Donay Jansen we-Kaizer Chiefs. Same thing, bedlala ku-DDC team, one of the hottest properties in the country that time ku-DDC team. I-Kaizer Chiefs, they felt the need ukuthi bamnike i-first team contract because obvious abanye abantu bese banyonyoba ba-inquire ngomfana. Then bamnika i-first team contract, bamlona uDonay Jansen ku-SuperSport United. uSuperSport United azange abe yi-success i-loan deal yakhe. Then izinto okay, they called him back. Manje ubuyile ku-Kaizer Chiefs but kubonakala ngathi i-future ku-first team akanayo at all ngoba manje ulaphana ku-DDC team. So usaseyiplayer le-Kaizer Chiefs fine but i-confidence yakhe bafethu i-down. Imagine this. Asenze example cause mangikhuluma ngeplayer elilodwa abantu bazothi yeah i-right lento lokuthi bekayi-first team player and then bamthathe bambeke laphana ku-DDC team. If lento ingenzeka kuplayer elifana noVilakazi for example, akekho umuntu ozoyivuma leyo nto leyo. So why kumele siyivume kwamanye ama-player because of wona awaziwa kakhulu, yabo? So because of uDonay olona omdu futhi nabo Vilakazi bancane kunoDonay. uDonay una 22 and back to i-DDC team kanti bampromote, I think it was 20 at the time. I-Kaizer Chiefs imnika i-first team contract but izinto azange zihambe kahle meya laphana ku-SuperSport United. Ama-matches awadlalile nje professional matches ku-first team ku-SuperSport United naku-Kaizer Chiefs udlale 3 ngapha 2 ngapha, only 5 games ku-professional setup. So i-confidence yakhe bafethu i-down and uma ubheka kule position adlala kuyo kuzoba nzima kakhulu ukuthi athole i-chance ukuthi adlale ku-professional setup or ku-first team. Udlala ku-right wing, right back, wing back, zonke lelo side nje lakwa-right uyakwazi ukudlala, uhlezi adlala khona kulelo side lelo. Uma ubheka i-competition, like there's no way ku-first team at the moment abe ne-chance. But ucoach wakhe walaphana ku-DDC team uthe uthola ama-minutes laphana ku-DDC team ukuthi ibuye i-confidence yakhe akwazi ukubuyela laphana ku-first team. But for mina mangibheka ngiyabona ukuthi there's no way abuyele ku-first team bafethu if he could not play. Ngiyakhumbula i-SuperSport United last season beyibheda kanjani, akakwazanga ukudlala ku-SuperSport United ukuthi establish as one of the players abangathembela kuye noma abangamnika ama-opportunities, but ubuyile ku-Kaizer Chiefs. But sobona bafethu umuntu akalahlwa, but he's 22. So I mean they're checking abanye abadlali laphana ku-DDC team abazayo. They can pay attention kakhulu ku-22-year-old elinganayo elike abalipromotha sokunesikhathi but-ke akakazi-establish. I don't know i-promotion model e-Kaizer Chiefs ne-DDC team ukuthi isebenza kanjani because esikhathi esiningi bapromotha thola ukuthi abafana baze baba nabo-2021 basase ku-DDC team, abanye babe forced ukuthi hayi bahambe bozama inhlanhla somewhere bodlala i-professional setup somewhere. Namanje i-Kaizer Chiefs they are forced to promote abafana or babanike first team contract makuza amanye ama-team abafuna abafana because manje bafila ngathi bathi abafuna ukuluza abafana babo, like especially the brightest talent, ngcono babanike i-professional contract and then babagcine laphana ku-D_D_C team. But the thing is ku-D_D_C team awu-evolve, awu-improve. Sometimes singathi eyi umuntu ngcono bamlone but uthole ukuthi iloni i-worse. Ngihlezi ngikhuluma ngo-Happy Mashiane noZwane ukuthi uHappy Mashiane umlona ku-team e-wrong, is not even making the match day squad and i-team yakhona izifele nkosi yami iswelele FC, but le position le abamlonele kuyo bafethu kunzima kakhulu. Bamlona ku-position kudlala ama-player khona amanye bebawafuna, so imagine ku-left back noma ku-left wing cause i-versatility banayo. Umlona ku-team la leyo position le i-strong, kusho ukuthi kuzoba nzima kakhulu for umfana ukuthi adlale. So I think they have to be calculative mabalona abafana, babheke i-position ayidlalayo and then nakule team la bamlonelayo ukuthi okay team encane but what about leyo position leyo kudlala umuntu onjani? Is it umuntu abambonayo as i-future of i-South African football or uzowathola ama-opportunities? Izinto ekumele babheke. Nomunye abamlonile laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs uXolani Gcosa lo seBotswana. I'm not sure ngabanye but yeah, abanye babapromotile aboThulani Touch Mabaso, Kabelo Nkweso Naledi Hlongwane, but still basaselaphana ku-D_D_C team. But yeah, they can always get better in terms of how they manage lezi zinto lezi zabadlali. But yeah, bayi-Kaizer Chiefs. I think i-pressure i-too much ukudlala ku-Kaizer Chiefs even for abafana abancane, so akukho lula. Ngingayikhuluma kanje kubonakala engathi ilula into yakhona ukumanage ama-player but akukho lula ngempela bafethu, kunzima ukuthi abafana basuke ku-D_D_C team and then baye ku-Kaizer Chiefs babe yi-success cause I don't think khona i-team ene-pressure njenge-Kaizer Chiefs. I mean ama-fans a-react-a online. Imagine if like wenza iphutha or bakunika i-opportunity, just one opportunity phela i-destroy i-career yakho yonke because of abantu 1 or 2 bazokubekezelela kancane, next game sebayaqala ama-fans ayakuhlasela and uthole ukuthi i-confidence yakho bayibulala forever. Ngeke uphinde ube yilelo player lelo because of manje udlala ngokuthuka ukuthi ama-fans online azo-react, especially uma ubheka kakhulu izinto ze-social media. So kumele uzame ezinye izinto like ezi-player ukukhohlwa, especially ama-players abancane abasa-develop-a. But hhayi khona izinto ongeke uzi-avoid-e bafowethu, ezinye izinto zi-unavoidable. Ibhazi ye-social media ye-Kaizer Chiefs, ukutrenda uzobona lento le isemehlweni wakho, you can't run away from it ngoba noma kuthola ukuthi wena as a player ungazama ukuthi okay let me not pay attention, abantu aba-close nawe bazokutshela ukuthi utrenda bathini futhi abantu. So yeah, complicated, but I think imodel yabo yokupromotha ama-player, cabanga if they lost uShabalala waya lese ethimini encane azange aba yi-success, babona ngathi hhayi lento le bebayibona ayikho, umfana i-confidence yakhe ngabe ikuphi? Ngabe ukuphi namhlanje? Probably ngabe naye akekho kufana namanye ama-player anyamalele. Ubani uRadebe noma ngithi uRadebe, naye one of the brightest young stars laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs that time aku-D_D_C team. I think he was even a captain at the time. Bampromotha ku-first team, waya okay azange athole ama-minutes kakhulu, waya bamlona ku-Richards Bay, wahluleka ukudlala ku-Richards Bay, imagine, and then bamrelease immediately mebuya. So hhayi kunzima bafowethu, kunzima but and also ama-fans ama-fans awekho right cause wageja i-penalty wasmayila noma wahleka, hhayi abantu bamkhumbula ngaleyo nto leyo ukuthi ulo wageja i-penalty but-ke wahlekela after. So yeah, kunzima kakhulu bafowethu. I think mentally you gotta be fit, you gotta be strong in order ukuhandle-a izinto uma udlalela i-team efana ne-Kaizer Chiefs. But yeah, it is what it is bafowethu. Abafana they have to be trained ukuthi what to expect or to anticipate mebezosana nalama-team lawa amakhulu. Especially I think mentally you gotta be very very strong ukusuka ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Let's say udlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs and then i-Kaizer Chiefs i-decide ukuthi iyakulona. Ma-facilities, world class facilities alaphana e-Naturena, the next thing uya ku-team encane kuma-facilities abhedayo. Mentally leyo nto iyakudestroy, especially when you are a youngster unga-understand. And then bangekho abantu aba-right abakugayidayo around wena, so uyalimazeka emqondweni. Izinto nje ey'ncane bafethu i-confidence yomuntu edestroyekayo but asiyinaki isikhathi esiningi. But yeah, sithemba ukuthi i-model yabo bazoyilungisa noma bazo-create-a like bazo-understand-a abafana what they are going through and bakwazi uku-create-a ama-opportunities angcono for abafana even if bayaba-lone. Ngicela ukuyibamba la kwamanje. Danko, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.